Part 4 of our series, a discussion with the Lorain County Auditor, Craig Snodgrass, discusses why he chooses not to place a tax calculator on the auditor's website. Craig, as you shared earlier, taxes do not increase proportionally to the rise in value. But for many of our homeowners, not knowing exactly how much their taxes will increase is stressful. Some counties provide a tax calculator on their website. However, Lorain County does not. Can you explain why you have chosen not to put a calculator on your website?
Well, I do know we have calculators regarding, say, what a levy will cost a $100,000 valued home. However, I think when you get into a reappraisal cycle, when you're trying to estimate what the total tax bill will be, it's a bit, I get a bit uneasy with that. Again, conservative person, we want to deal with knowns. We know the 10 mil floor, I think, as I touched on before, but we do not know how far that rate is going to come down as far as the voted millage. And that's something we will not get from Columbus till the end of December. They provide those rates to us. So right now it would be really a guess, and I'd rather err on the side of caution and not guess what you might have to pay. Like I said, the one thing I can say with certainty is you will not go up the same percentage as your value increase. That we do know. And, but I think there's too many variables. Again, our values aren't set even yet. So that number's still changing. And a lot of work needs to be done between now and the end of October. And then obviously the November of elections will also change, potentially change tax rates as well. So I do think it's getting a little bit too far out ahead of things if you do that. I do know historically we've always sent out, or the county treasurer's always sent out tax bills in January. Those are actual numbers. I know some counties actually send out estimated bills at the end of the year. And maybe that's where they can get away with doing an estimator, because their first tax bill is not as correct as it should be. So you know, we'd rather err on the side of caution, and so when we get the rates at the end of December, then we'll all know at the same time, and then the treasurer sends out normally his tax bills first, second week of January. So we would know. But as soon as the tax rates do get certified to us, we actually put that on our website. So people will know, as soon as we know, we put it on our website, they'll be able to find out what their new bill will be.
And where is that information available on your website?
It would be loraincountyauditor.gov. If they go to my website, I have a lot of information out there, not just of all the different programs that we have available.